I must have been 12 years old. I had a paper route, and one of the houses on my route had I still remember it today, it was a black 911 turbo with gold wheels, and ever since then, that's what I've wanted. But even though mine isn't a black 911 turbo, I'm really happy with what I've got. Mike Pellat. I am 48 and I'm an accountant. I have a 2015 911 GT3. It's a 991.1 generation. It feels planted to the ground. You hear the car, the noises it makes and the little crackle of the exhaust and the shifting. It's even more than that. It's the sound of it. It's how it handles it. It's all business. It's not this ostentatious, look at me. It's a driver's car, and that's what really attracted me to Porsche to begin with. Oh man, it's hard to describe it in a few words. Love of cars, and my son, my daughter, and their friends. Knowing how I felt about cars when I was younger, if I could sort of pass it on to them, that's awesome. Enjoy what Porsche stands for. It's drivers being drivers. It's great, and I've met lifelong friends through owning Porsche. It really does come alive once you get into the upper reaches of the RPMs. Once you get up, 4 or 5, even 9,000 RPMs, it screams. You can feel it, hug the road. You can feel it being implanted, and it's a new machine once it gets up to up in that area. That's where it comes alive. The best part about owning a Porsche is this machine.